Gather elbow macaroni, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, milk, butter, and flour. Prepare salt, black pepper, paprika, and breadcrumbs as seasonings. Measure each ingredient precisely to ensure the correct quantities. Having all ingredients pre-measured streamlines the cooking process. The initial step involves boiling macaroni in salted water. Cooking al dente is crucial for optimal pasta texture. Al dente means the pasta should be firm to the bite, not mushy. Test the pasta by tasting it periodically during the boiling process. Once al dente, immediately drain the pasta to halt the cooking process. Begin by melting butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk flour into the melted butter to create a roux, ensuring a smooth base. Gradually add milk while continuously whisking to prevent any lumps from forming. Incorporate cheddar, Parmesan, salt, pepper, and paprika, stirring until the sauce achieves a smooth, creamy consistency. Combine the cooked macaroni with the prepared cheese sauce in a large bowl. Thoroughly mix the macaroni and cheese sauce to ensure even coating. Observe the consistency and overall appearance of the mixture at this stage. If baking, transfer the macaroni and cheese mixture into a suitable baking dish. Optionally, sprinkle breadcrumbs evenly over the top for a crispy crust. Preheat the oven to the specified baking temperature. Place the mac and cheese in the preheated oven for baking. Bake until the top is golden brown and bubbly. Allow the baked mac and cheese to cool slightly before serving. Optional additions like bacon or caramelized onions can enhance the dish.